Christmas has come early at Craft Gin Club because we are unboxing our December Gin of the Month box. It is our biggest box yet, it's going to be our most festive, and I honestly can't wait to get started. Our Gin of the Month is Kirkjavar Yuletide Christmas Spirit of Orkney. Oh, it's festive. Christmas in a bottle, that's what that is. And for this month's perfect gin tea, we're going to mix with the London Essence Co. Pomelo and Pink Pepper Tonic Water. Look how pink it is! And our perfect gin tea wouldn't be anything without a little bit of garnish. This is orange and red currant. And our cocktail of the month is a fireside fizz. So imagine just sitting by a fire with a little fizzy cocktail, enjoying the Christmas spirit. And the fizz for our fireside fizz is coming in the form of the Bibite Polara Melograno, which is pomegranate juice. It's just going to be beautiful together. And here it is. I'm going to give it a little sip. Oh my gosh, that is delicious. And also from the London Essence Co, you're getting a deliciously warming ginger ale. And there's more. We also have Amarula Ethiopian coffee cream liqueur, which is honestly just gonna make for the perfect espresso martini. It's so little! It's Angostura bitters, cocoa bitters. So this is something a little bit different to your typical Angostura bitters, and honestly it's gonna really elevate your cocktails. Of course, Christmas is never complete with a little sweet treat. This is Christmas spiced fudge from Copper Pot. Christmas, that was great. Not jingle bells, these are jingle bites from Cheesies, our good pals at Cheesies. Honestly, I am a cheese fan. Oh, it's like a cheese board in a bag. Would you look at the size of these? These are Mackey's of Scotland turkey and stuffing crisps. Wasn't wrong, it's Christmas lunch, ready to go. You can just have this as a little pre-Christmas lunch. Following Christmas dinner, obviously you're gonna want a little sweet something, and this is Awfully Posh Mince Pie Finest Popcorn. Mince pie flavored popcorn. That's amazing. Oh my gosh, this is everyone's favorite little Christmas treat. It's Lindt Lindor in milk flavor. Honestly, finding this at the bottom of the box is just like an extra Christmas present. And our December Gin of the Month box wouldn't be complete without our beautiful Gin magazine. It is packed full of recipes for cocktails to keep you going throughout the festive season, all the way through to New Year.